All right. SpaceX. Do you guys want to know what I'm calling SpaceX? Put in the chat what my nickname is for SpaceX. Please. I want to see if anybody knows what it is. I told him it last night what it is. How the I swear to God. How? 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 How did you get that? Deaf. No, not deaf. It wasn't deaf. Jake, how did you get that? How did you guys get that? Do you have my phone tapped? That was the first guess. Somebody got it. I don't even know what to say. You guys are amazing. You guys deserve a prize. I got to figure out I got to tell you, I'm very impressed. All right. Here we are. The S-1 was filed. They're targeting a raise up to 75 billion at roughly a 1.75 trillion valuation. This makes me sick. It makes me sick. Largest IPO ever. Financials. Consolidated revenue in 2025, $18.7 billion. Starlink, $11.4 billion. Grew 50% year over year. They lost $4.9 billion. This stock market is going to let this damn company that is losing $4.9 billion go public at 1.75 trillion. Get the bleep out of here. Total losses since inception, 37 billion. Ex AI consolidation. Roughly 60% of 2025 capital spending went to the AI division. AI division grew revenue 22% year over year. Operating losses are deepening sequentially. This is where we get very, you ready? The Elon Musk control structure. Dual class shares. Class A, 1 vote. Class B, 10 votes. You ready for this? Are you ready for this bullshit, everybody? You ready for the bullshit? Elon owns 93.6% of Class B stock. Post IPO, Musk will hold 42% of equity, but controls 79% of votes. He stays on as CEO and CTO and chairman of the board. Class B holders get to elect the majority of the board. Retail allocation 30%. I'm sorry. But I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm going to stop saying I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. This is bullshit. Sorry. I have no problem with him wanting to retain voting power. I get it. But at a 1.75 trillion valuation, I mean, oh no, I got a problem with founder shares to a degree. I like it, but I don't like it. I'm torn on it. This is more the valuation side. Like, people are buying shares of a company that doesn't make money at a 1.75 billion valuation, and they don't even have an equal voting right. I mean, that's just crazy. So the launch of Falcon and Dragon legacy rocket business, Starship long-term bet, reusable heavy lift rocket, 12th launch expected this week. XI division, 60% of CapEx with only 22% revenue growth. It loses billions. I mean, the more I look at this, this is crazy. Look, I think this is going to be a debacle. I have no idea what's going to happen. It's Elon. This gets an Elon premium, but I'm sorry, this is crazy. The biggest beneficiaries, you ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. You know who the biggest beneficiaries of this is? It's the space mob. I think Rocket Lab is the biggest beneficiary of this. Here's why. If for some reason SpaceX maintains this valuation or goes above 2 trillion, think about this. If that happens, why wouldn't Rocket Lab be worth at least 150 or 200 billion dollars? I don't have to like the valuation, but I call balls and strikes. I call a spade a spade. If SpaceX can maintain this valuation, if they can, Rocket Lab is going to be the biggest beneficiary in my mind. Absolutely, there is no question about it. Now, that sword cuts both ways. If if SpaceX crashes and burns and falls, that is not good for Rocket Lab either. We're going to find out real quick. We're going to find out real quick what is going to happen. And I don't know. Maybe everybody that's drinking the Kool-Aid is correct and I'm wrong. I look at numbers. I don't like the numbers. I've been very public about that. I think the numbers are crazy. That's my opinion. I missed out because of the numbers. It's okay. I don't, it is what it is. I don't have FOMO. I don't care about missing out. I am just, you know, I'm a little bit more conservative as an investor. That's all there is to it.